The reality of all life today is all unity, unified field that unites observer and observed in one indivisible wholeness. Scientifically, it's called quantum measurement theory, the ultimate inseparability of the observer from the observed. In the language of science of consciousness, we call it the unity knower and known in the indivisible structure of the pure knowledge, the experience of oneself. The self, consciousness, our very subjectivity, it's one thing in our life that has never changed. The self is very intangible. It's one aspect of our experience that has been with us since childhood. That one thing that gives that continuity to our experience, it's our consciousness, our subjectivity, the self, that is the same for all of us. It's a unified field discovered by science, which is essentially the creator of the universe. That is our authority, our dignity. If we only knew ourselves and how precious it is, we would rush to experience higher states of consciousness, where that experience of our unbounded subjectivity is always present.